Hello students, today we are going to learn regarding management. Okay, now what is management? Management is a set of functions directed at effective and efficient utilization of available physical and human resources in an accomplishment of organizational goal. So what is management? Management is a set of functions through which available resources are utilized effectively and efficiently in accomplishment of organizational goals. Okay, so as far as management is concerned, it is a set of functions, and in this set of functions, there is planning, organizing, directing, and controlling is involved. Okay, so planning, organizing, directing, controlling, these are the functions of management. So management starts with the planning and ends at controlling. So planning is the primary function of management and controlling is the last function of a management. Through these functions, whatever resources are there. Okay. So as far as resources are concerned, available resources, these resources are classified into living resources and non-living resources. Okay, so main, material, money, machine, method, market, these are the resources. So apart from main, that, that is we call human resources, all other resources are non-living resources. Okay, so these resources are utilized effectively and efficiently with the help of this function towards in accomplishment of organizational goals. So why these resources are utilized effectively and efficiently with the help of this set of functions? Because to achieve organizational goals, right? Every organization has their goal. So different goals, objectives are there. So profit making is the first and foremost function of any business, first and foremost objective of any business. Okay, and apart from this profit making, survival in the cutthroat competition, this is one of the objective of organization. So different objectives are there, and these objectives are accomplished by using this set of functions. Okay, so this is called management. There different authors are there, they have defined the management in their own way. Okay, for example, management, somebody says that management is art of getting things done through the people. Art of getting things done through people. ओके, तो इसका मतलब क्या है? काम करने का नहीं, काम करवाने का. ओके, so utilize that resources. Which resources? People means HR. Utilize these resources and get things done from them. Okay, then management is a distinct process consisting of activities of planning, organizing, actuating, controlling. Okay, so another definition is there. That definition tells that what is management? Management is a process of this planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling. Okay, and these functions are performed to determine and accomplish stated objectives. Determine and accomplish stated objectives with the use of human beings and other resources. Okay, so it is nothing but it is a set of functions performed to achieve the objectives, right? This is the another definition of management. Okay, now the nature of management. What is the nature of management? By understanding these two definitions of management, we come to know that management, what is management? Management is a process. Management is a process. Or we can say management is a process or activity. Okay. The way teacher performs the teaching activity, musician performs a musical activity, sportsman performs a sporting activity. In the same way, we could say that a manager performs a managerial activity. Okay. However, the managerial activity is not just a single function, rather it is a process involving number of interrelated and interdependent functions. The functions which constitute managerial activity are classified as planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. These five functions is just a broad classification of managerial activities. Any other activities of management such as communication, motivation, coordination could be fitted in these five main functions. Secondly, these managerial functions are not performed in order in which they have been listed. In reality, the managerial work is mixed complex affair in which these functions might be performed in any order. Okay. Then second nature of management is a continuous process. Management is a continuous process. The managerial functions of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling are performed continuously in the business organization in conduct of affairs of organization. The performance of these functions continues so long as an enterprise is in existence. Okay, so whatever functions are there from planning to controlling, these functions are performed till the existence of the company or existence of the organization. That's why it is a continuous process. 3. Management is a social process. It is a social process. It is a social process in the sense that management functions are basically concerned with human relations. Okay, so it is concerned with human relations. It directs, coordinates, and controls the human efforts so as to make optimum utilization of scarce resources for satisfying human wants. Okay, so through management, all the resources are coordinate and controls with the human effort to make that resources or utilize that resources optimally. That's why it is a social process. Number four, it is an integrating process. Management is a integrating process. Why it is called integrating process? It integrates the functioning of human and non-human resources so as to make optimum utilization of these resources to achieve organizational objectives in the best possible manner. In other sense, it seeks to reconcile the individual goals of employees with the organizational goals. So as far as integrating process is concerned, it integrates or it combines human and non-human resources. It combines living and non-living resources. Okay, living and non-living resources. Okay, and sometimes it combines individual goal and organizational goals. That's why it is an integrating process. Next, it is concerned with group activity. It is concerned with group activity. If it is an individual task, the question of management does not arise. Whenever and wherever a group of persons come together to accomplish a common objective, management's role becomes important. Management coordinates the efforts of individuals in a group to achieve their common goal. Next, management is a purposeful activity. It is a purposeful activity. Management aims at reaping the rich results in economic terms. It is not an accidental or aimless activity. It is no longer a passive or mere adjustment of resources. It is mainly concerned with rational utilization of available resources to maximize the efforts and productivity of an enterprise. Next, it is a universal phenomena. It is a universal phenomena. Management is concerned with human activity, and human activities are carried on in all kinds of organization. All kinds of organization. The basic principles of management are universal, and the principles of management are universal. They can be applied in all sort of organization. Applied in all sort of organization. They can apply in all sorts of organizations such as business, social, educational, cultural, religious, political, etc., irrespective of their size, nature, and objectives. In brief, wherever there is an organized effort, there is a scope for management. Management is a goal-oriented activity. It is a goal oriented activity. It is concerned with the achievement of predetermined goals and objectives of an organization. In fact, the success of management is measured by the extent to which the organizational goals are achieved. Okay, so success of management is measured on the goals of the organizations are achieved or not. Okay, next, management is a system of authority. It is a system of authority. Authority is the right to give orders and power to get them executed. Since management is mainly concerned with directing the efforts of other personnel towards accomplishment of common goals, the authority to extract the work from others is implied in a very concept of management. Now it is related with decision making. Management is related with the decision making. Management implies making of decisions concerning the various aspects of organizations. The decision serves as a key to execute performance. Therefore, making decisions rationally is primary aspect of managerial process. Okay, so these are some points related to nature of management. Thank you.